Hello, friends. The AI update we are going to share today is something which can be considered to be a good news and a bad news for many of us at the same time. Let's have a look. As we all know, artificial intelligence newcomer DeepSeek has sent Silicon Valley into a frenzy with its high performance and supposed low-cost AI solutions, prompting calls for US big tech to go faster. Now, in the latest bid to catch up on the fiery AI race, on February 3, 2025, OpenAI has introduced Deep Research, an advanced feature within ChatGPT designed to autonomously conduct comprehensive, multi-step research tasks. This innovation aims to enhance users' ability to gather, analyze, and synthesize information efficiently, delivering detailed reports complete with citations. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman described Deep Research as being like a superpower, experts on demand. He emphasized its capability to go use the internet, do complex research, and synthesize a report for you. Well, sounds pretty good. But what really is deep research? And who is going to benefit from this development? And most importantly, how does it compare to the red-hot Chinese DeepSeek R1 AI model? Let's find out. Deep Research is an AI-driven agent integrated into ChatGPT that autonomously plans and executes complex research trajectories. Users can submit questions along with additional context through various formats, including text, images, PDFs, or spreadsheets. The system processes these inputs to perform in-depth exploration of topics, delivering detailed responses within 5 to 30 minutes. Each response includes a summary of the research process and citations, ensuring transparency and reliability in the information provided. In terms of the technical specifications, Deep Research is powered by OpenAI's upcoming O3 model, which is optimized for web browsing, data analysis, and reasoning tasks. The O3 model represents a significant advancement in AI capabilities, particularly in handling complex reasoning tasks. It is designed to devote additional deliberation time when addressing questions that require step-by-step logical reasoning, enabling it to autonomously search for and read information from diverse online sources. This allows Deep Research to create thorough, documented, and clearly cited reports on complex topics. Mira Murati, OpenAI's Chief Technology Officer, highlighted the technical advancements of the O3 model, stating that it spends additional time thinking before generating an answer, which makes it better for complex reasoning tasks, particularly in science and mathematics. Now, before addressing the obvious elephant in the room, how does Deep Research compare to the red-hot DeepSeek R1 AI model? Let's first have a quick look at the user empowerment and key application areas of OpenAI's Deep Research. Deep Research empowers users by handling intricate research tasks that would typically require extensive manual effort. It is particularly beneficial in areas such as academic research, assisting scholars in literature reviews and data synthesis. Market analysis, providing comprehensive insights into market trends and consumer behavior. Technical writing, generating detailed reports on complex technical subjects. Legal research, summarizing case laws and legal precedents. In simple words, Deep Research is engineered to meet the increasing need for a sophisticated AI-driven research assistant that goes beyond traditional search engines and surface-level information retrieval. Unlike basic AI tools that provide generic responses based on keyword searches, Deep Research is designed to analyze, interpret, and synthesize vast amounts of information in a structured and meaningful way. Talking of the availability to end users, Deep Research is currently available to ChatGPT Pro users, who can access up to 100 queries per month for a subscription fee of $200. Limited access is also provided to users on other tiers, with plans for a faster version in future releases. And now, moving to the most crucial aspect, comparison with DeepSeek R1 AI model. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, recently introduced the R1 model, an open-source AI system that rivals leading models like OpenAI's O1 and O3. DeepSeek R1 excels in reasoning tasks and is available for researchers to examine and use to their requirements. It focuses explicitly on an extended context window and the ability to handle domain-specific queries with a high degree of expertise. Its developers have highlighted the model's capacity to process up to 50,000 tokens in a single query, enabling more elaborate analysis of entire documents or extensive conversation histories. This approach suggests that DeepSeek R1 introduces what it calls an extended context attention mechanism that fuses local and global attention patterns, thereby preserving not just the immediate semantic relationships, but also building a hierarchical representation of the entire prompt. This architecture, according to its proponents, mitigates the frustration users sometimes experience when large language models lose track of earlier parts of a conversation, or when they struggle to reference earlier sections of lengthy documents accurately. In principle, such an extended window offers substantial benefits for long-form content such as legal, financial, or academic texts, the key areas we just mentioned, where referencing paragraphs from thousands of tokens earlier can be critical to producing coherent, logically consistent answers. DeepSeek R1's creators also emphasize that the system was trained on a significant fraction of non-English data, signaling a commitment to multilingual performance that can support global usage. In contrast, OpenAI's deep research focuses on autonomously conducting multi-step research tasks, providing users with detailed reports and citations. While both aim to enhance AI-driven research capabilities, deep research is integrated within ChatGPT and emphasizes user interaction and detailed reporting. To put it straight, OpenAI's deep research represents a significant advancement in AI-driven research tools, offering users the ability to conduct comprehensive analyses efficiently. Its integration into ChatGPT provides a seamless experience for users seeking detailed and reliable information across various domains and platforms. And by the way, why this development is a bad news for some of us? Well, it's pretty straightforward. AI advancements like deep research pose a significant threat to jobs that rely on manual data gathering, analysis, and report generation, as these automated solutions can perform these tasks faster, more accurately, and at a lower cost than human researchers. As AI continues to evolve, professionals in roles such as market analysts, research assistants, data entry specialists, and even policy analysts may find their jobs increasingly redundant, forcing a shift toward AI oversight and strategic decision-making rather than routine information processing. So friends, what is your opinion about this new AI release? And what purposes you generally use ChatGPT for? Do share your experience in the comments. Subscribe now to our channel, Deep AI Nexus, and never miss out on any of the latest AI innovations and developments. And by the way, there is some basic things that 99% of us are not aware about the DeepSeek R1 and how it compares to ChatGPT. Click the video showing up on the screen to find that out. See you there.